Embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and personal growth in a leadership context. This experience is not just about learning how to lead others, but also about your personal development. By embracing holistic leadership principles, you can also contribute to the prosperity of your organization. It all begins with you taking the first step. You might believe you don't have a role to play, but you do. You are a leader, and you can make a significant difference. Uncover the leader within you and understand what it means to be a holistic leader. Through this dynamic training seminar, you will learn emotional intelligence, social intelligence, relationship mastery, how to communicate for excellence by articulating the mission and vision with passion for action, the servant leadership approach to leading with heart and conviction, to transform yourself and become an organizational change agent, methods for forging synergistic teams, forward thinking, also known as futurology, where you see yourself in the world of leadership, how to brand yourself as a leader, moral, ethical leadership behaviors, methods for building transformative teams and organizations, real-world examples and practical application of theoretical constructs to ensure you know how to lead in the real world. Don't wait for someone to train you to become a leader or for the organization to have a leadership development training program. Take control of your leadership identity and future by learning how to lead today. Taking the initiative is leadership, because leadership is action. Seize the opportunity not just to learn about leadership, but to empower yourself and others. This is your opportunity to make a significant difference. By the end of this training session, you will be in a better position to unleash your inner leader. If you are already in a leadership position, your leadership skills will elevate to the next level, leading to personal growth and professional success.
Holistic leadership goes beyond traditional leadership approaches by focusing on the intricate balance between the mind, body, and spirit. It involves developing emotional and social intelligence as the core of interactions and communication. Embracing servant and transformational leadership styles can actually catalyze change and growth, inspiring teams. Now, mindfulness of one's actions and interactions and words is key to shaping behavior and fostering a positive environment. As to the body, taking care of oneself and team members is vital to prevent burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Valuing well-being demonstrates genuine care for the team. This holistic approach embodies the leadership spirit as highlighted by Dr. Miles Monroe. Holistic leadership is about translating these principles that I just mentioned into tangible actions that you can apply to the real world.
Join us for this dynamic training session to take your leadership to the next level by being a holistic leader in every area of life, from the home to the office. Now that's leadership. Holistic leadership.